What? This is IShowSpeed, man. He has finally landed inside the streets of South Africa, man. It's a happy New Year Eve, everybody. Man, like it's an aura everywhere. I've been telling you about IShowSpeed. Yeah, blue lights. Look at the excitement. Look at the enjoyment, man. Oh no, let me check the next one. This guy. Hey, Speed gonna finish you, man.
Yeah, bro, I know it. Bro, I'm curving. Excuse me. What language do y'all speak here in South Africa?
Xhosa, they speak Xhosa, man.
So,
And Afrikaans. Oh.
what the hell? There's hella kids in South Africa, chat. Where do you come from, bro?
You got a lot of kids, man.
How did all these kids come out of nowhere, dog?
Oh, what a happy New Year Eve with Speed in South Africa, man. Hey, yo, guys, tell me, what do you feel about this thing? This is the first time happening in South Africa, and yeah, I just love the fact that he decided to come here for the Happy New Year. And everybody who's at home, Happy New Year, and make sure that you are safe. I love you all. Stay blessed.